Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level of a Porsche Cayenne 2010 model. I had some questions about some comments on how to check this, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 350 other videos on how to reset indicators, services, oil resets, TPMS, tire pressure indicators. You can watch them all. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, you have to have the ignition on to the second position. So all the light must go on over here. Once that is in the second position, you have to use this wheel button over here. Scroll through the menu. As you see, find the vehicle area. Yes, vehicle. Then press this, is also a press button. Press it, and the second menu and the sub menu is oil level. And here you can check the oil level, and it says okay. You have a minimum level and a maximum level. I would recommend to have it near maximum, so I have to add some oil. If you're doing this for the first time, you have a text over here saying you have to do a little trip with the car before being able to check the oil level. I had to do that also for myself. It took me about 10 minutes. Then I had to park the car, stop the engine, and just turn the ignition on and wait in this area, and you'll see that after a few minutes waiting, this will appear and it will check the oil level of the car. So drive the car for about 10 minutes, then park the car, stop the car, turn the ignition on and wait in this menu, and you'll see that the oil level will be checked by the car itself. That was it. I hope this video helped you, and leave a comment if you like, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.